houses. There is, there are.
Now, we're going to talk about a new kind of verb. Here it is. There is, there is, there are. There are. Now, is followed by one noun, a singular noun. So, a singular noun. Okay, one something. There are is followed by a plural noun. Plural noun. Okay? So there is followed by a singular noun. There are is followed by a plural noun. Now let me show you. Here's some examples. There is one living room in my house. There is one living room in my house. Is one. Okay? There is one living room in my house. There are 3 bedrooms in my house. There are 3 bedrooms in my house. Do you see the difference? There is one living room. There are 3 bedrooms. Now, with there is and there are, you have to look here and then to see the verb. Okay? So there is one living room, is. There are 3 bedrooms, are. Okay? So you have to look after to see what the verb is. Now, here are some more examples. And I'll show you a couple of ways to do this. So here's the first one. One living room is in my house. Okay, you know this. One living room is in my house. But we can say it like this. There is one living room in my house. There is one living room in my house. These are the same information, but different sentences. One living room is in my house. There is one living room in my house. Okay? They're both correct. Here's another one. 3 bedrooms are in my house. So you know this. 3 bedrooms are in my house. Now, we can say there are 3 bedrooms in my house. Okay, so it's the same. There are 3 bedrooms in my house. 3 bedrooms are in my house. There are 3 bedrooms in my house. Now, these are correct, but these are better. There is one living room in my house. There are 3 bedrooms in my house. These are nicer and more normal. Okay? Now, let me show you a chart, and you can see it on the screen also, with some statements and questions. Okay. There is a bedroom. There is a bedroom. Is there a bedroom? Is there a bedroom? See, we changed it. There is a bedroom. Is there a bedroom? And like the other ones, yes, there is. Yes, there is. Or, no, there isn't. So there's a bedroom. Is there a bedroom? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Okay, this is for one. There are 3 bedrooms. There are 3 bedrooms. Now, to make the question, are there 3 bedrooms? Are there 3 bedrooms? There are 3 bedrooms. Are there 3 bedrooms? Now you can guess the answer. Yes, there are. Yes, there are. Or no, there aren't. Okay, so there are 3 bedrooms. Are there 3 bedrooms? Yes, there are. No, there aren't. Okay? All right. Now, let me ask you some questions. Susan, in your house, is there a kitchen?
Yes, there is.
Okay. Now you ask Ali.
Ali, in your house, are there 3 bedrooms?
No, there aren't. There are 2 bedrooms.
Okay. Ask Isabel.
Isabel, in your house, are there 2 bathrooms?
No, there aren't. There is 1 bathroom.
Okay. All right.